Meaning of depend.
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 Depend. The verb depend means to rely on or be influenced by something else. It implies a connection or relationship between two or more things, where the existence or outcome of one is determined by the presence or actions of the other. The result of dependency can be positive or negative, depending on the context and the nature of the dependency. Overall, dependency is a fundamental concept in various fields of study, from economics to psychology, and understanding the dynamics of dependency is crucial for personal and professional success.